Welcome to this video. Here I'm going to show you how to import tag numbers or external data. So in the previous video we exported tag numbers. In this video I'm going to import them back into the cable table. So I'll open up the cable table just to show you it is empty, and I'm going to click on the import button. So as you know, I put this CSV file on my desktop and I'm now going to browse for it. So this browse dialog box opens up and I can just filter for comma, delimited files, and I can choose cable.csv. Once I've done that, this dialog box opens up. First thing you can see, it is a comma delimited file, and now I can choose select field as the link field. If I go down a bit, you'll see that my tag num field is selected. So in that file, it looks for the tag number, and if there are differences, it adds them for new records. If there are ones that are the same, it updates them with the newest information. So as you can see, I've got 70 records to be added and 0 to be updated. I can click OK, and they're being imported into my database right now. Once that is done, I'll have to refresh this table to see the data, and it gets all of this from the database. Right, so let's see how it works when we have records that need to be updated and to be added at the same time. I'm going to minimize this, open up my cable.csv file. Now that it's opened, I can quickly go and add a new one at the bottom of this. I scrolled all the way down and I'm just going to copy this tag number and paste it in the field below and change it a little bit for this test. Let's just call it test for this example, and I can just again save this. So it's now saved and I've reopened FTS. Now I can go to import once again and I can search for that comma delimited file. And my dialog box opens up once again. As we can see, we're using tag number, records to be updated, the 70 that I've already imported, and new records to be added, the one that I added at the bottom. Right, now I can hit the refresh button, and as you can see there are 71 rows. So if I go in my tag number, let's quickly see if we can find this one. So in tag num, I'll just filter for test, and as you can see there it is imported. Okay, I have now quickly exported this data again to a comma delimited file, and I want to import it again, but first I want to make a quick change. So here where we had test, I'm going to rename this to test 101 example. And now if you have a quick look, let's just see where the cable ID is. 3366. Remember this number, we're going to use it now. Alright, so now I'm going to return to FTS, and I am going to import this again. So let's go and find my comma delimited file, open cable.csv, and I'm going to use cable ID, and I'm going to unselect tag number as my field. Now you can see it uses the cable ID 3366 instead of the tag number as test to overwrite or examine these tags. So when I press OK now, that tag number is going to be overridden, but still would keep all its connections and keep all its cores. So let's filter here for test, and you see my normal test has finished and test 101 example is in its place, still being the same cable. It is just renamed, as you can see with my cable ID. Okay, so that is what I want to show you about importing tag numbers or external data. For more videos, please visit our website, and you can also make video requests there if there's something that you could not find.